Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the S word. I think we all know what the S word is. Yes, shrinkage. We are talking about shrinkage today. How do you fight shrinkage? Because you know we all hate shrinkage. You know, it be playing us. Like your hair can literally be like down to like your hip, but it looks like it's like at your shoulders because why shrinkage? Okay, so we all kind of hate shrinkage. We feel like it be robbing us of our length, and like it's just not fair. You feel me? Like what I do to you to deserve like you have me looking like this, like I don't got no hair. So you and I are going to get to the bottom of this today. Okay, so I'm going to start off by saying shrinkage is actually a good thing. Shrinkage is a result of elasticity. So elasticity is your hair's elastic ability, you know, so for it to, you know, be able to bounce back. If you stretch your hair and it bounces back, you know, your hair is elastic. It means healthy hair. Your hair is strong, it's elastic, and it's acting right the way it's supposed to be. So when your hair can shrink up, it's healthy. You know, think of like heat damaged hair, right? It doesn't bounce back. You know, there's no bounce back. It's kind of like dull and that's not healthy. So if your hair is bouncing back, it's nice and bouncy and it, you know, shrunken up and all that stuff, your hair is really healthy. So understand that shrinkage means healthy hair. Okay, we just got to get that out there because shrinkage is actually not bad. It is annoying, but not bad. So now you're like, okay, yeah, I have shrinkage, so my hair is healthy, but what if I don't want the shrinkage, you know? Because like, what if I want my hair to look long, but I don't want to straighten it, or I don't want to do twist outs 24/7? Here's the trick. So you use products that help you with shrinkage or help to fight shrinkage. The two products that I've used for shrinkage and recommend would be the Diva Curl Super Stretch or the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Curl Stretch Pudding. It's the one in the red jar and it also has flaxseed oil in it. Me personally, I actually really like the Super Stretch a little better than the Shea Moisture one, but honestly, if Diva Curl's not in your budget, then go ahead with the Shea Moisture one. Now here's the deal with these two. They both help you achieve stretched curls, okay? You put these in your hair, when your hair dries, it's not gonna shrink up as much. Your hair is gonna be stretched, you know? So they're both very effective at that. The only difference with these two is the Diva Curl one is not super moisturizing, like it's not as moisturizing as the Shea Moisture one, but it gives you crazy definition, and that's why I love this one so much, because you know I love to have popping curls. I'll take popping curls over moisture sometimes, not all the times, but in this case I will use this, and I will just make sure I use a moisturizing gel, or I will just make sure to, you know, seal it with oil, or just make sure I'm really taking care of my hair, because I love the definition that you get with the Diva Curl one. The Shea Moisture one is super moisturizing. The only thing I don't like about this is it doesn't mix well with other products. You know, it has a really hard time mixing with different products, and so that's kind of annoying. You know, it's like if I don't use the Shea Moisture product, you're not going to mix with anything, and you're going to beat up and be ugly and nasty. And I haven't tried all the products in the world to see what it mixes with, but I just know that this mixes well with Shea Moisture, like with the matching Shea Moisture gel, but with other gels, from my experience, it hasn't been mixing well. So that is kind of annoying, but it's super duper moisturizing. Like if you want to have a stretch twist out, oh yes, you better use this Curl Stretch Pudding. Oh, and the only thing I don't like about this is it kind of stinks. Like it smells like, but it works. After I've washed my hair, conditioned it, I'll go ahead and use either the Super Stretch or the Curl Stretch Pudding as my leave-in. So you know why? And I normally put my leave-in in while I'm still in the shower, while my hair is soaking wet. I just take a lot of it. The key is to use a lot of it, especially with the Diva Curl one. A lot of it gives you the results that you need, and just work it all in my hair. These products don't have crazy slip, so you want to add water to it, because you know they're not like gels with marshmallow root in them, or you know, conditioners that are supposed to be slippery, so they don't have a ton of slip. But if you add water to the process, it, you know, makes it easier. So I really like to just work this in and use it as my leave-in. The Diva Curl one does help define your curls a little bit more, and then I'll go in with whatever gel I normally use. For this wash and go though, I actually use the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel, and so I mean, we're gonna see how it does. I kind of dried my hair a little early because I didn't want my hair dripping in this video, so it may be a little frizzier than it would have been, but I mean, it looks pretty good. You know, like look at my curls, they're looking nice. The Ultra Defining Gel might be a new favorite. But yeah, so with these curl stretching products, they're just specific ingredients, and I don't know the science behind stretching your curls out, but I just know that there are specific ingredients in these curl stretching products that, like, I don't know, it just makes your hair like not shrink up so much. I don't know what it is. I don't know the science behind it. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a cosmetic chemist. I wanted to be though for a long time. I'm not any of that special stuff, so I don't know how it works, but it just works. These are 2 products that I would recommend, and they will be in my Amazon shop, so if you are looking for them, then you can find them there. My sister was asking me like, how do I fight shrinkage? I hate that, like when my hair is wet it looks so nice, because my sister really loves the wet hair look. She loves it, but she's like, yeah, my hair's wet and it looks so nice, and then the next day it's like, ew. And so yeah, if you're having that same issue, or you like the wet hair look, or maybe you just want your hair to look longer, these 2 products will definitely help you. You use them as you're leaving and you are set and ready to go. Like I said, me personally, the Diva Curl is my favorite, but if that doesn't fit your budget, then the Shea Moisture one is a nice second, you know, a nice alternative. I'm not a huge fan of stretch curls, but here and there I like my hair to, you know, be a little bigger and be a little, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We feel like a little fierce, a little extra sometimes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I would love to continue the conversation down below. So let me know if you guys have any, you know, special techniques or strategies on ways that you like to stretch your curls. And that is all for this video. I upload videos to this channel every Tuesday and Friday, and I want to thank you so much for spending your time with me watching this video. You know, you could be doing a million other things, maybe cleaning your room, washing your dishes, whatever it might be, but you're watching this video, spending this time with me, and that means the world to me, and I appreciate that support so much. And I will catch you guys on Friday.